My name is Siddhant Karnik. By profession, I am an actor, but right now my profession doesn't really matter because all I'm doing now is staying at home, being a responsible citizen. If you are like me, you'd probably be waking up to videos like this.
Coco, ha ha, this nothing sacrifice, no sacrifice.
If you are like me, you'd probably be waking up to videos like this also. And if you're like me and wondering how else can you help during this pandemic apart from just staying at home, there are other ways. You and I are safe and secure in our homes. The very same homes that were built by these migrant laborers who we are just looking videos of at and feeling sorry for them. It's alright to do that. I was doing that as well. Until a friend of mine called me and asked me to help him out in whatever way I could. When I started looking into it, he belongs in an organization called United Sikhs. This organization is a UN funded... No, it's not a UN funded. It is a UN approved organization that works all across the world. It is manned by the Sikh community. It's called United Sikhs. And they are out in the front line volunteering themselves at this time to help out people in need. These people in need, they need food, they need shelter, they need our support and help. How you and I can help is by donating. In the description below, I'm going to leave a Keto fundraiser link. I would request you to please go to that link and donate some money, little money, 300 rupees. It'll cost me 300 rupees to buy a pint of beer in a bar. 300 rupees will take these people so far as to give laborers 4 to 5 of them a week of groceries and food. 300 rupees. And for 800 rupees, we can enable and buy PPE suits. These are protective suits that medical professionals and volunteers can wear when they are out doing the job that, let's face it, you and I are not choosing to do at this time. 800 rupees. That's all it's going to take to protect these brave volunteers to go out there and protect themselves from any disease so that when they come back home to their families, like how we are, the families are safe as well. And you know what, even if right now you can't give money, and that's completely understandable, share this video, share this link, share this message for those who do have the funds to help out. It's not time. I'm not going to give a bhashan. This is not a place for Gyan and Bhashan. This is a place to tell you that there is an organization that is doing the work. All they need are funds. Let's fund them in whatever way we can. I have personally donated, and before donating, seen and vetted them. They're a legitimate organization, and I assure you, and I'm putting my name over here, I assure you that the money that you donate will go to the needy and nobody else. United Sikhs, they're out there, let's help them. All donations are applicable for tax redemption under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. Good! After all that, believe you me, alright, no. Oh! Wow, I need a haircut. I can hear church bell rings. Do you hear that in the background? Then this must be a very righteous message. Even the gods approve. So let's help them out. Let's help these people, help these people.